Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you why you should wrap your shower head in a plastic bag. Over time, mineral deposits such as calcium tend to build up in the holes of your shower head due to hard water. Your shower head can then start to look a little crusty, and the water stream and pressure coming from the shower head can be significantly reduced. The fix is quite simple though, and you can have your shower head running full blast in no time. Start by unscrewing your shower head from the shower arm. Take a plastic bag. A sandwich, quart, or gallon-sized bag will work depending on the size of your shower head, and fill the bag with 1/3 cup of water and 2/3 cup of distilled white vinegar. Then take your shower head and place it into the bag with the solution. Make sure the entire shower head is submerged in the water vinegar mixture. Close the bag tight with a rubber band and let the shower head sit in the solution overnight. When you come back the next morning and remove the shower head from the bag, run the shower head under water to wash off the vinegar. Dry it and you will see that the mineral deposits that were in and around the holes have dissolved. Screw the shower head back onto the shower arm and allow some hot water to run through the shower head for a minute to remove any remaining mineral buildup in the holes. You can see that the water pressure and flow is much improved. You're ready to jump in. If you like this video, please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!